Welcome back once again. Welcome back. Let's talk about it. It's the name of the show. Guys, it's crazy out there. Okay. I talk about everything that is happening, what I see and what I receive from different people. Questions I try to answer, guys, because you guys always have questions that you want me to look at. But yeah, man, right now what I'm about to talk about is about these DJs. But before we do that, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Kindly please confirm, confirm if you really like this show. You know what I mean? Should we continue about it? But yeah, man, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. And then, talk below there. Tell us, what do you think? Yeah? And then I'm going to tell Diva 082 124. Yeah, you can still send a WhatsApp right there. And don't forget to check out one of our channels called the Higher Table Podcast, so you can check out what's going on, what's popping right there. So, I said I want to speak about DJs. I want to speak about DJs. I'm going to talk about DJs. I'm talking about our own DJs from Venda. Hit Venda. We talk about Gianni. Man. Yeah. Malam Lele Ningay. Let's say, man. Bembe as a whole. If we look at the one thing that people always say, but our music is not recognized. Our music, I could want to play, and everybody's looking only ka radio. But you're forgetting some of the people that you hire. Can be at your clubs, it can be at the taverns, it can be at the pub, it can be at the resorts, it can be the chilling place. It can be wherever it's happening, wherever it's popping around Venda, around Malamlela, around Vembe, around wherever you are, Limpopo. But there's most areas you find the DJs that play music, they'll rather brag about music that comes from outside, can be different provinces, can be different areas, but they will never play music wabo. Like, they'll never play their own music. The music from home, they never play it. It's like there is something about it that they just hate local music. It doesn't matter how it's popping on the street. It doesn't matter how many radio stations are playing. It doesn't matter how many cars are playing it, how many people are singing the songs. But our own DJs just don't support local music. We might have few of them that play, but you can't even say it's 5 or 10. But we have so many DJs. You go to every pub, you go to every tavern, you go to any club, you go to every resort, you go to every gig, you'll find DJs playing music. They'll rather repeat a hip-hop song from somewhere, from Josie, from KZN, from wherever that it comes from. They'll rather play the piano song from wherever that it comes from, Mozambique, Durban, like anywhere in the country. But they won't play our own local piano music. They won't play any house tracks. They won't play any music from local. I don't know whether if they feel embarrassed by their own music that is produced locally, but the truth in theory, if it's coming from home, they don't support local at all. They don't care about how the impact of that song will be when they play it. They don't want to push our own, because remember that some of the music, the reason the music hits the street and it really dominates is because of the DJs that play the music. I don't want to get into radios today. I'm not going to talk about radios, because some radios does push, mostly community, but I don't want to get into radios and their politics and how some of these guys think like they own the music industry by just being on the radio. But today we're talking about what is the cause of these DJs to hate local talent so much that they will never talk about it, they will never play it, they will never push it, they will never put it on their set, never ever. They will rather repeat one song over and over. This DJs comes in and play the song, that other one will come and repeat it again, that other one will come and repeat. So if you have 10 DJs, you're actually listening to the same set, just different inset. It's just different mixes, but same songs, because they keep on repeating. And you find that we have so much music that is being done at home, but none of these DJs cares about local vendor music, tonga music, mix, whatever, whether music of Western, whether guy, they don't give a damn body. They don't play it at all. Can somebody tell me, these DJs don't care about our own music at all? Tell me, guys. I just want to know from there. Uruzitwanga mean, because it's really embarrassing how they'll rather sideline their own music. Come on, even if or the DJ Muru, you'll see like let's say the Oskiro or the all the DJs want to play Oskiro's music. They want to play Tira's music. They're busy trying to hoya all the tracks. I don't know. Are you trying to impress those guys? They don't care. Whether you play it 100 times, they don't care. They're not going to sign you because they're there to perform. They're there to do their stuff. If you're the DJ want piano, you all trying to play kabza. You're not trying to prove. What are you trying to prove, grand? We have music. Play music. Play our own sound. See how people react to our own sound. The reason you say people don't support our local music because they don't know, some of them, about it. Because the radios are not playing it, you're not playing it. So how you expect the music to hit the street? If you play the music, you're helping the artists, you're helping the producers, you're helping beat makers, composers, you're helping everybody to reach that music, to feel and work hard to make more music. You're making sure that the music is getting out there. Let's respect each other. Let's play our own music. Let's stop pushing what doesn't benefit us. Because the more music we play, the artists grow, the more bigger events happens. Instead of trying to copy other people, we're always trying to fit in. How long are we going to do that? Guys, come on. For right now. Like right now, I'm going to stop right there because I don't want to get too far and start talking other things. But right now, DJs, the Venda, azinandawa na muziko hayan. They rather play other people and repeat songs on their own set than playing our own music. Whether it's house, kwaito, rap, maskandi radio on Venda, what jazz, kana whatever. We don't like our own music as DJs. You don't like it. You hate your own. Like seems like you hate yourself. You just trying to fit in when you see these big artists come there and you want to play their songs. Like what the heck? Or just they'll allow you to take a picture with them and you say the new song is coming. You just took a picture, man. Come on. Yes. I'm out of here. But Wash, what do you think about this? Tell me, what's your input? And this is Let's Talk About It.